Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Nurhataji Samad and this time I'm gonna discuss the inference and means of two normal distribution variance known. And there are null hypotheses and test statistics. Null hypothesis is a characteristic arithmetic theory suggesting that no statistical relationship and significance exist in a set given single observed variables between two sets of observed data and measured phenomena. The hypotheses play an important role in testing the significance of difference in experiments and between observation. Null hypothesis symbolizes the null hypothesis of no difference. Then our test statistic is a number calculated by a statistical test. It describes how far your observed data is from the null hypothesis of no relationship between variables or no difference among sample groups. For example, the test statistic for a z-test is the z-statistic, which has the standard normal distribution under the null hypothesis. Then, alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is a statement used in statistical inference experiment. It is a contradictory to the null hypothesis and denoted by HA or alternative hypothesis or hypothesis 1. P-value. The p-value or probability value is the level of marginal significance within a statistical hypothesis test, representing the probability of the occurrence of a given event. So this is our example, problem number 1, paint drying time. A product developer is interested in reducing the drying time of a primer paint. Two formulations of the paint are tested. Formulation 1 is the standard chemistry and formulation number 2 has a new drying ingredient that should reduce the drying time. From experience, it is known that the standard deviation of drying time is 8 minutes and this inherent variability should be unaffected by the addition of the new ingredients. 10 specimens are painted with formulation 1 and another 10 specimens are painted with formulation number 2. The 20 specimens are painted in random order. The two sample average drying time are x sub 1 bar equal 121 minutes and x sub 2 bar equal 112 minutes respectively. What conclusion can the product developer draw about the effectiveness of the new ingredient using A equal 0.05? This one is the 8-step procedure is parameter of interest, the difference in mean drying time, mean of population 1 minus population 2 and time equals 0. Null hypothesis, population 1 minus population 2 equals 0. Alternative hypothesis is population 1 greater than population 2. A equals 0.05. Then test statistic reject HO or null hypothesis of no difference if reject population 1 equal population 2. Computation since the x sub 1 bar equal 121 minutes and x sub 2 bar equal 112 minutes. The test statistic is merong naka-attach dito na picture. So, our last 8-step procedure is conclusion. Since z no difference equal to 0.52, the p-value is P equal 1 minus 0, 2.52 equals 0.0059. So we reject the null hypothesis of no difference at the A equal 0.05 level. And that's all. Thank you.